What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, and general roller skating lifestyle videos. I'm Rebel, and today we are going to review the new Skatewytch X Wildbones wheel. They're so cute. I love. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take them out of this package and I'm gonna put in some bearings. Is this a sticker? This is a sticker. It comes with a sticker. Dope. So each pack comes with a sticker. So if you're getting an 8-pack of wheels, which you should because that's how many wheels you need for a roller skate, then you will get 2 stickers. First impression coming right out of the pack, they're shockingly bouncy. Look how bouncy they are. Whoa! They feel kind of like the Moxie trick wheels, so I'm interested to see how these feel on. That's crazy. Okay, so they're 56 millimeters in width, and they have the grooves on the actual wheel, which is just like traction. The hardness for these wheels is a 98, which means that they're gonna be really good for skate parks on all surfaces. So if you go to a concrete park, they should be good. And also if you go to like a park that has skate light or wood, like all across all surfaces, you should be pretty good with this wheel. So let's put some bearings in it and try it out. I'm using just like a regular bearing tool to put these bearings in. These are really hard to get in. Let's see if I can do this. So you're not gonna be able to easily get bearings into these wheels using just a bearing tool. So let's try this bearing press. Nice. Yeah. Look at her go. Let me just try just in case that wheel was a fluke. Okay, so this is the issue right off the bat with these wheels, is that if you're trying to put your bearing in, like the bearing is too big for the actual wheel if you're just using a tool, because it's a pliable material, which means your bearing will be able to go in there. But I would recommend, if you get these wheels, to have your skate shop put them in for you, or if you have a bearing press, to use that. Because when I put them in the bearing press, it's not a problem at all. It takes 2 seconds. I could put the bearings in. But with a bearing tool, off camera, I struggled for a long time trying to get them in, and I couldn't do it. So that's definitely, I think, an important thing to know. We got some wheels. Ready to put them on our skates. I have a feeling I'm gonna like these wheels because I really like the Moxie trick wheels, but I'm interested to feel like how fast they are, especially with them being 98. Wow, look at that. She is pretty. Also, Skatewytch made the design for the outside, and I think the outside design is really dope. So one thing to note is that the hub of these wheels, so this part right here, is really deep. It's set in really deep, which is something that you can take or leave. I think it's really preference. I don't think it really impacts much. But these wheels are set up so that they will fit on both wide and regular or narrow trucks. Okay, so I have now worn these wheels a few times. I've worn them twice at Skatepark and then also on our ramp and around our house. I really like these wheels. These wheels are 98s, so they are a little softer for a hard wheel than I'm used to. I usually skate on like 101s or 103s. But that being said, that means that they're a really good introduction hard wheel. So like if you're trying to get into hard wheels and you're worried about like the speed and everything that hard wheels are gonna give you, these are really like, they're a really good gateway into hard wheels. That being said, if you get these, they're really good for a bunch of different skate park surfaces, and I would totally agree with that. That's the way they're being marketed, and hands down, full agree.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are they green because they're the gateway drug into park wheels?
Probably. They might be. I think that, I mean, I feel like they came at a perfect time. Like it's almost Christmas and now they're green on my red skates, which is great. Something that I forgot to mention earlier, these wheels are actually made to fit on both wide and narrow trucks. Narrow trucks are the types that are just normally on roller skates, but when you have them on the narrow trucks like they're on mine, what you can do is you can switch around this nut and face it the opposite way when you screw it in so that you have a little bit more tightness and security on your wheel. What I noticed at the skate park that I really liked about these wheels is specifically that these edges, they're not really abrupt edges, they're rounded edges, and because of that, I was able to get a lot of agility out of these wheels. So if you're looking to be comfortable in turning or carving or anything like that, these wheels are gonna give you that. When you are jumping and landing on these wheels tend to take a lot of the pressure from your landing, which is really, really nice. So even though you sacrifice a little bit of speed having like a little softer of a wheel than a super hard wheel, you're gaining this really nice comfort in your landings of your jumps, and also it's easier on your knees, which is really good, especially if you're wanting to like skate for a super long time. Having something that's easier on your knees, or if you have knee injuries from previous skate things or other things, then these are gonna be great wheels for you as well. I would definitely recommend this wheel to people who are at the skate park and they've tried the skate park a little bit, they wanna advance further, they wanna get hard wheels, they're scared of getting super hard wheels, and they still want to be like faster on their skates. These wheels are going to be great for you. I would also recommend these wheels for people who like traveling to a bunch of different types of skate parks and don't want to have a bunch of different hard wheels for the skate park. I would definitely recommend these wheels for you. And I would also recommend these wheels for anyone who has like injured knees or likes to do a lot of jumps and doesn't like that hard impact that you get with really hard wheels. They're great. I love them. I think Skatewytch did a wonderful job. I think it's awesome that Skatewytch has a wheel and that Wildbones put out this wheel. And yeah, you can get them on hereticsskateapparel.com, and you could also get them on Wildbones website. Right now, I think they're sold out, but they're gonna be restocking. You can also get this super cool sweatshirt. Heretic Skate Apparel, what's cool, Kathleen started it, or Skatewytch, and what she's done is she's paired up with a lot of artists within the skate community to create these amazing designs that are really powerful, and she not only splits the profits with the artist, but she also donates a lot of the money that she gets from the sales of these shirts and sweatshirts and all of the different items in her shop. And so I highly recommend that you support Skatewytch, support Kathleen. She's doing awesome things in the community, and her clothes are dope. So that. And her wheels are dope. One really cool thing about this wheel is that Skatewytch, in getting this wheel, is the first roller skater to have a pro wheel. So if you get this wheel, not only will you be the owner of some sick wheels, you are also being a part of history. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to get these wheels or any of her apparel, you can go to the link down in the description bar. If you want to support me, you can become a Patreon. The link is also down in the description, or you could just become a part of our Discord. It's popping off in there. Or you could buy a cool anything from my Etsy. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!
I've got a